Okay, and we're back. So let's go on to our next one. We have done melting. We've done vaporization. We have condensed. So now we're going to sublimate. Now, who can tell me what sublimation is?
It's when you go from a liquid straight to a gas, right?
No.
It's from a solid all the way to a gas.
Solid to a gas. Now, what substance that you all know of? What kind of ice? Dry ice. You know why we call it dry ice?
Why?
Because it doesn't turn into a liquid. Okay. So you guys are in for a treat because I went to the store. I went and bought some dry ice. This is what dry ice looks like. See the gas? See that gas? That gas is sublimation happening right now. Can you guys please stop talking and listen? Thank you. So this solid is turning directly into a gas. That's what you see. That's carbon dioxide gas trailing off of it. So I'm going to put it inside this. I don't eat that. No, I wouldn't recommend it either. It's actually so cold it can burn you. So we are going to get to drink this brew, though. You see it bubbling up? We actually get to drink this. You don't have to. I'll drink it. More for me. This is a great party trick. You guys are about the age now where you're going to start hosting little gatherings with your friends, birthday parties, get-togethers after school. If you can convince mom and dad to buy you thank you. If you can convince your mom and dad to buy this for you, you have to be 18 because it's unsafe. If you touch it, it can burn you. So you'll notice that anytime I grab it, I always use either my gloves, which I have right here, and then my tongs. I use the tongs mostly. But you do not want to touch this stuff, all right? It will burn you.
You said you could drink it, but it will burn you.
No, not the liquid.
What is the liquid? What is that?
Hawaiian Punch. All right. So we'll get to play with that. It actually bubbles up. Y'all want to see it? Y'all want to see what it looks like in a liquid?
Yeah.
Now this is just normal old water. I put food coloring in it so it looks cool because, visuals. So this carbon dioxide has been, I believe they use pressure, intense pressures to create this. So you drop it in there, you get this. I also like to take some chunks and put them up in my boiling flask. You can go down in there, and you can go in here. And you see it bubbles up. It makes a really cool show. It looks really cool. So a lot of people will use this for like Halloween decoration. Right? Y'all have seen this done for Halloween?
Yeah.
No? Well, you should. I think everybody should play with dry ice at least once in their life. Come on, go in there. Work with me now. Hey, there we go. So it sublimates. Hey, there we go. So we're changing directly from a solid into a gas. Now, what's happening with the energy? Is the energy being added or released here? Released, right? Because you're going from a lower state to a higher state. See if I can do the tornado. Well, you can't go too fast. I got it to work last time. Whew. Yes, sir.
Oh, I made a hole.
No, there's no bad words that are scientific words. This is probably a question you should ask me in private. All right?
How long does that ice thing last?
It depends on how big the chunk is and how hot the liquid you put it in. Right? So, we've got some sublimation. Now, the great thing about sublimation is you can use it to do all sorts of cool tricks. Aside from just making really cool fog effects with your drinks, you can make bubbles with it. Now, this is my homemade special bubble concoction. I make this myself. It's my special recipe. If you would like to know what it is, I'll make you do some like work assignments, and then I'll give it to you. You got to earn it. I'm joking. Okay, so we're going to take a chunk of dry ice. We're going to put it in the water. That's because some of the powder fell off. It's got some powder in there too. Well, you can, but I'm going to do something better. Ooh, you see the bubble? See the bubble? Now watch this. Get my hands soaked in the mixture. Isn't that cool? So I've got some carbon dioxide that's trapped inside the bubble. And then I would walk over and let you guys pop it, but I got to stop the video first. So I'll do that here in a bit. How big of a bubble do you think we can make? It's pretty good. It's going pretty big. It's about the size of a softball now. Oh, there it goes. Another thing, maybe we'll do this before we leave today. We'll drop some in the bubble mixture and see what happens. Should get messy. Should be fun, though. Who wants to try this? All right. Let me get Nisha, Pacific first. Do me a favor, walk that way and go grab those. We'll let everybody mess with this a bit.